Changing your availability on Calendly allows you to control when others can book appointments with you. Here's how to adjust your availability settings. Log into your Calendly account. Start by signing into your Calendly account. Go to Event Types. From your dashboard, navigate to the Event Types section. Here, you can see all the event types you've created. Select an event type. Click on the specific event type for which you want to change your availability. This will open the event settings. Edit availability. Locate the section labeled "When can people book this event?" Click on it to access your availability settings. You can choose specific days and times that you're available for meetings. Set custom hours. If you need to block out specific times, use the custom hours option. Select the days you want to adjust, then add or remove time slots as needed. Add buffers. To prevent back-to-back appointments, consider setting up buffer times before and after your events. Save changes. Once you've adjusted your availability, click Save and Close to apply the changes.